Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of one of our quality pre-owned vehicles. It comes equipped with Sirius XM Guardian emergency communication system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, front LED fog lamps, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness, Park View rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. After viewing this vehicle, we hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you why Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is the best place to buy your next vehicle.